Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, my dear. What would you like to have for breakfast? Tea or coffee?
I want some tea, Mom.
Okay, with milk.
Yes, with a little milk and sugar.
Do you want bread, or do you prefer cereal?
I like to have bread with butter and jam. Is there strawberry jam?
Yes, there is strawberry jam and apple jam. I also have a jar of honey, if you want.
No, Mom, I don't want honey. I would like to have apple jam.
Do you want fruit juice?
Yes, it's a good idea. It's good for our health.
So, what are you going to do today?
Today, I have a lot of things to do in the office. My boss is coming from the United States. We have an important meeting with our client. I'm late, Mom. I'm going to take a shower.
Hurry up. I'm going to cook breakfast.
Yes, Mom.
Here is the breakfast.
Thanks, Mom. Okay, Mom. I'm leaving now. See you later.
Okay, my dear. Have a good day.
Thank you. Goodbye. Hello, Julie.
Hi, Amelia.
You are taking the bus. Why don't you take the metro?
Today, I'm taking the bus because I'm going shopping with Natalie. What are you going to do this weekend? Do you have plans?
Yes, I was thinking of going to see the new movie on Saturday.
This seems good.
And you? Are you doing anything special this weekend?
Nothing interesting. I'm going to clean up. But tomorrow, I'm going to have coffee with my cousins. They are very nice.
Here is the bus. I take 18.
I'm going to take the 27th. Goodbye. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you, and same to you. Tripo Vista, good morning. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to book a one-way business class on the Paris to London flight for Thursday. Thursday, March 25th.
Okay, ma'am. Morning, afternoon, or evening?
Early afternoon, please.
Okay, you have a 1:30 p.m. flight and a 2:30 p.m. flight on Air France.
Can you tell me? What time does the 2:30 flight arrive in London?
The flight arrives at 4:15 p.m.
Oh, it's late. I'm going to catch the 1:30 p.m. flight.
So, it leaves from Roissy Charles de Gaulle Airport.
That's perfect.
Could I ask you name?
Mrs. Johnson.
Could you spell it, please?
Yes, of course. Johnsson.
So, Thursday, March 25th. Departure at 1:30 p.m. from Paris Charles de Gaulle. Arrival in London at 3:15 p.m. on flight AF 2580. Your reservation number is AF 3654.
Noted. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Hi, Amelia. You look tired.
Yes, I have a lot of work to do. That's why I'm tired at the moment.
I think you need to take a vacation. You must rest.
Yes, of course, but I can't take a vacation right now. I have too much work.
Stop working like crazy. It's bad for health.
It's easy to say, but I agree with you.
Do like me, play sports, take vitamins. It feels good.
But I don't have time to exercise.
It is not possible. There is a garden next to your house. You have to go there and jog.
Jogging in the morning. It's tiring.
But you can walk. Take care of your health.
I will try to do my best.
Listen, I can do one thing. If you want, I can come to your house tomorrow, and then we can go to the garden together for a walk. What do you think about it?
Yes, that's a great idea.
Yes, what time should I come to your place?
Can you come before 7 o'clock?
Yes, of course.
You are awesome, Julia. Thank you so much, with all my heart.
You are welcome. Low-intensity jogs, 2 or 3 times a week, were found to be the best way to increase longevity.
That's amazing.